A day in my life as an event host, coordinator. Touchdown, tilde. Tagaytay.
Morning! So what's up mga kabubuyag? Once more, it's your host Jai. And for this video ay nasa may Tagaytay na nga po tayo for our another event. Hosting and coordination team yung kinuha ng client sa atin. So grabe, first time naming magpunta dito na ang daming fog. Sobrang lamig. Ayaw lang sabihin yung word na so ayun mga kasama po natin. Nakakatawa. Vlog to, seryosong vlog to eh. Charot lang. Oo. Oh, ganito muna pang TikTok na din. So yun nga guys, at yun nila bakit ito yung format ng aking camera. Kaya wala kasi silang magagawa, ipapost ko rin sa may TikTok. So yun nga guys, sobrang ganda naman dito. Ayan mo guys. Ito ni Jeep. Nakita nyo lang, ang daming fog. So sa loob po kasi kami. So dito pala sa may Tagaytay, wala palang in-drive. So na po tayo, nag-joyride. Sana mamaya po walang ulan dito kasi nga outdoor yung event natin. Kahit yun, oo. So yun nga guys, samahan nyo kami with Host Jai team. So bye for now guys.
Hi guys! So, nandito na tayo sa venue. Kasama ko si Oske at yung bodyguard. Charot. So, iikot ko kayo kung ano na yung mga kaganapan dito sa prep area. Let's go! So, dito yung catering. Diyan siya. Tapos, tignan natin yung cake ng couple. Grabe, ang ganda. Ang classic niya tignan. 'Di ba? Binabash niyo yung cake ni Carla, pero ang ganda. Mamaya mas maganda 'yan. At ito pala yung ating venue. The Veranda Garden and Events here at Tagaytay. So, ano nang ganap dito sa labas? Is preparing na sila for our garden wedding. Yeah. So, happening now. Ready na?
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to the renewal of vows of Elvis J. and Sherry May Saligbon. Let me begin this ceremony with a scripture reading from 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 4. Love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs, love does not delight in evil but rejoices with the truth, it always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres, love never fails. And now these three remain, faith, hope, and love, but the greatest of these is love. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the entourage.
Right.